So I just made it to Black Rose in Chambersburg. I'm halfway through my day of speed shopping, which I actually used to do all the time before I had YouTube because I was moved through so quick. So 4 stops already, 4 more to go. I'm right in between. I'm still looking for Valentine's Day stuff, but so far I've been really careful about what I pick up because if I don't find any more Valentine's Day stuff or special items or stuff like that, I think I'm gonna go out of town next week. So let's see what they got. It's been a while since I've been here. Well, I'm back in my quintessential poodle booth. This jewelry box is kind of fun. It's only $5. I'm trying to, oh my gosh. Ah! This is a mess. All right, now I know why it's $5. The hinges on it are broken. $5 is a great price, but it's got a great deal of damage on it. Not sure if I can get away with that. Oh, it's so cute though. I had one of these in better condition. It sold for $25. I could do it again, but I think I'm gonna let it go today. Ooh, the Hazel Atlas cup and saucers are kind of fun. Dutch boy. Oh my gosh, so cute. $10 though. These don't sell for that much. They usually come in sets or pairs. I feel like I could sell this maybe for $15, which only leaves a couple dollars profit. As much as it pains me, I'm gonna be cheap. And the Dunkin' mugs are fun, but I've had those a bunch of times. Well, these are kind of funny. $6, that's super cheap. I thought they were salt and pepper shakers. They're just figurines though. And I've had variations of these in the past. They're kind of fun. They usually do have crazing like that. I've had variations of them in the past. They took a while to sell, so I'm gonna leave them even though the price is right. Super into this booth, though the last couple times I've picked some stuff out, the prices have been pretty close to retail. Something's not right about those cats. I see the little hobbyist eyeglass holders. Those usually sell pretty quick. They're really fun. $6 is a fair price for sure. I usually sell them anywhere between 11 and 13 depending, but I've had them so many times. All right, there's a few things going on here. Let me put my basket down. I'm gonna start at the top here with this cute little sleeping bear planter, $8. That's a good price. It's close for me. It's a maybe. I see this guy's got a little too much paint loss. What about this funny thing? $12. That's pretty close to what I get for that after fees. And I love the pink iridescent. But I saw some skunks down here. Here we go. I'm seeing a bunch of sets I've had before. Those are kind of peculiar. And I have one of these somewhere. I gotta list it. And I've had those a bunch. Dang. And the bisque ones. That's not for me. This is really fun. It's newer. Probably like 80s Taiwan. But really fun. And we got these guys, $8. That's a really good price. Again, I've had them before, and I'm really trying to switch it up. I'm trying to figure out what's happening here. This little baby beating that dog? That's very strange. Very strange. Look at these guys. Oh, dang, he's got a pretty gnarly chip. That stinks. Those are really fun. What's happening here? Oh my gosh, it is Japan. That is so cute. How much is this? $10? Well, for $10, I'm definitely gonna grab that. Is it like broken or something? I've never seen this one before. This maker is kind of hard to find, and they usually have some pretty adorable stuff. I'm getting all tongue-tied. I'm excited. I'm almost at the end. I thought I wasn't gonna find anything. I mean, it's got a little nick on one flower, but it's barely anything. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. This booth always has such cute things. I love this chalkware guy. He's got a chip too. And the price is right even so, but I'm really careful about picking up chipped chalkware. I feel like it usually sits sometimes with the chip. What is this? Heidi Kennedy. I'm gonna look that up. It's definitely on the newer side, but I'm kind of curious. I love the look of that snowman. I'm still trying to regain cell service. The face mug, $5. Now, I've been super careful about picking things up that I've had before. However, these always sell super, super quick. So for $5, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it. I'll be able to double my money easily and quickly on this. And then I'm also seeing the little rubber reindeer for $4.50 for the group. Can't really say no to that. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this. Still waiting on service. I love this handmade paper cat basket. That is so fun. $14. That's a little too close for me. I've had these before. I don't sell them for top dollar because I feel like if I price them for top dollar, I've had a couple that were like so unique I could not. But they take a while to sell. So I did find who the mug was by. It's a Pittsburgh local artist who seems super cool, and it's got super cool stuff. I advise you to Google and check out her website after this. It's Heidi Kennedy. I was about to walk out when this caught my attention. $5. What? And 20% off for $4? I'm definitely taking this. Another one down. I only spent $24 in there. And next, I'm off to Fayetteville. All right, I made it. I hope that they have put their Christmas away. I am still looking for Valentine's Day stuff, guys. Oh my gosh, what is this ad? I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. I don't need it. If it was smaller, I would totally get it and frame it, but it's kind of a big size for the amount of wall space I have available. These are kind of fun. Oh, they've got a hairline. They usually do. Is it kind of weird that I'm obsessed with this can? Well, my favorite vendor hasn't restocked for Valentine's Day, and unfortunately my other favorite vendor moved out. But I'm curious what's going on back here. I see Left in Santa. $32 though, that is retail. I wonder if the Snowflake Girl, probably the same. $34. Yeah, leaves a little room, but only a couple bucks. After fees, maybe literally like $2. What a fabulous piece of chalkware. Dang, and it's in like perfect condition. Unfortunately, it's a little too close in price for me. Could probably make a couple bucks off of it, but not that much. Like literally a couple bucks. It seems to be the theme in here. But also, this. Amazing. Really nothing in there for me. And I mean nothing. So I'm gonna hop back in the car and I'm gonna go to my last 2 stops of the day. Some oldies but goodies. Hanover never disappoints. Back at yesteryear, this is my 5th stop of the day. I've been super frugal so far. I've only spent $77. Let's go in and see what they got. That is so freaking cool. I do not want to ship that, even though the price is right. And it's beautiful. Got some super fun salt and pepper shakers. I'm seeing a lot I like the monkeys, but all kind of things I've had before. I'm really trying to switch it up now. I know the astronauts in the car here are new, but those are so neat. $19.99 in Esco. Ooh, a little table of Valentine's Day stuff. I think these are so cute. They're new, but designed after the old Valentine's Day cards. And there's some cards. I'm not really looking for cards. I got a lot of cards. It would take a lot for me to invest in some more cards. They're such a pain to list. What are these fun little boxes? Nail brush and soap. What is this? Puppet sponge. Oh my gosh, that is too cute. well, we seem to have skipped Valentine's Day and gone straight to St. Patrick's, which is another hard holiday to find. This pin is so fun. 1980s. I had some of these last year. They sold really quick, but it's not really speaking to me today. Wait a minute, why does this say $4? Oh, it's repaired. Ooh, candy boxes. I think a lot of these are ones I've looked at before, but they've been moved around, so I'm gonna double check. That one's really pretty. 27, it's a little bit on the newer side. 29 for this is a really good price too, but I just can't see myself doing 29 on that today. I'm being super cheap because I know I'm going to, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I'm gonna go out of town, I think, because I haven't really found that much today. Or even yesterday in Richmond. Oh gosh, such cute things. I know I've looked at this 100 times. This is the kind of stuff I'm looking for. And the watermelon spice set is fun too. Such a cute spring display. I love this chalkware. I guess it's a bank. Is it a bank? I'm not sure what's going on there, but it's not for me, but I do appreciate it. Those are fun chalkware vases too. Wow. I don't think I've seen those before. Wow, that is a beautiful Ormolu perfume bottle. I have one like that on my vanity. 49. The top is broken. Oop, I'm out of focus. There you go. The top is broken. Oh, that's so pretty though. Well, I've reached the end, and I was about to say, it's really not my day out here, you guys, but 24 gunned rubber face Rudolph. Oh my gosh. And he's 25% off. Does he work? I don't even care, but I want to know anyway. He doesn't work, but I'm gonna get this anyway. This is an awesome find. Rubber face reindeer are really hard to find now. He's not the most sought after one like the Rushton or Columbia toy, but either way, at that price, he's coming home with us. And what is this cute little, oh dang, it's broken. I was gonna say it's got strawberries and ice cream and it's pink gingham. Oh, that's too cute, but unfortunately with it being broken, I don't think I can justify getting that for resale. Oh my gosh, look at how fun this guy is now. He's got lenticular eyes and that kind of pearlized glaze that sells so well. Unfortunately, he's $25, which is about what I'd get for him after fees. Plus, being sports related, I'm kind of nervous to buy it because anything sports related I've bought has gone super slow. This is cracked, unfortunately. How much is it anyway? Just to know. 35 as found, yeah. And then 15, good price, but again, close to what I'd get for that after fees. I think that might have been the least amount of time I've ever spent there. I only spent $18, but I scored big. Now, I've never seen this exact one, and he's not in perfect condition, so it's gonna take a little research to figure out a fair asking price. But in the meantime, I'm gonna head over to Black Rose, Hanover. Let's see how quickly I can do this. I am like feeling super good. I know this is really chaotic and people are like, oh my gosh, this is so crazy. This is your 8th stop today. You've only spent $90 and it's only 3:30. So I'm trying to just keep on pushing through. Can't lie, I'm not surprised, but I'm a little disappointed. It's all still Christmas. What's going on here? Okay, just a bucket. 16, 35, and 16. Can't do anything with those prices. Well, this booth is usually pretty pricey, but this is exactly what I'm looking for. $55 at damn near exactly the price. So, I'm gonna have to pass, but just so you know, that's what I'm on the hunt for. It's really not my day, but you know what? It's okay because I'm still having a great time and my spirits are high because this is only the first day, well, second day of what I consider Valentine's Day season. I'm gonna jump in the car instead of just like lingering around Black Rose and hit Emmitsburg.